WhatsApp has over 2 billion users. Telegram has over 700 million users, and it is one of the most downloaded app globally. And so, how can you give access to someone who is not near you, who cannot scan the QR code, so that they can manage your WhatsApp or your Telegram? Imagine your business is growing, you're getting a lot of messages, support messages, and you're not able to handle it, and you want to delegate that to a virtual assistant or any other person to manage your WhatsApp. What do you do? It's going to be very simple and straightforward. So the person who is managing this is going to go to web.whatsapp.com, and they are going to be brought to this page. And now that the two of you are in separate places, there is no way to scan the QR code. What you do is link with phone number here, and then you put the phone number. You can chat with us using this number, by the way. Then you click on next. All right. Then you're going to go to your phone number, go to link devices. When you go to link devices, you have two options as well: scanning the QR code and link with the phone number. Remember, you're the one who has the phone number and your virtual assistant has the computer. So you click on link the phone number. They are going to share the code that you're seeing on the screen with you so that you can input it. Currently, I'm doing exactly that. It's X1275566. It's telling me in incorrect code. So let me do that again. 275566. Incorrect code. So I'm going to refresh this. Link with phone again. It's 202. Start with us. We are always online. So I'm going to use the current. It's PK X8 77 BJ. Alright, the code has been accepted and your person has been logged into WhatsApp. So there you go. They are going to see the messages that your business has here, and they are going to be able to even chat with you anytime, help you chat anytime you want. Anytime you have a client, they give a reply. And don't forget to join our WhatsApp group here. We share information that can help you get more clients. All right, that is WhatsApp. Let's go to Telegram. It's web.telegram.org. The process is almost the same. Again, link with phone number. You're going to put that phone number here. Keep me signed in. Click on next. And then a code is going to be sent by Telegram. I have it. So we're going to put that code here. There you go. And we are in. Again, don't forget to join our Telegram group here. We share quite informative information, and we're going to help you get more clients. And for anyone who joins these two groups, these two channels, WhatsApp or Telegram, we're going to give them a package for them. And we're going to give them this, lazozia.com, for them to test. Azozia is one of the best SMS and WhatsApp marketing platform that you're going to see in the internet. It helps you run your SMS and WhatsApp campaigns without any issues anywhere in the world. So I'm going to leave the link in the description for you to check it out and give it a shot. And if you join our group or our WhatsApp group as well, we're going to give you a discount on this. And thank you so much for entrusting us with your ears. Kindly subscribe, share widely, and see you on the next one.